Your service, sir?
Yes.
Okay. What seems to be the problem?
I don't know if I'm getting a signal.
So you
I don't know if I'm getting a signal. I'm not sure. I just turned it on.
You turning the signal on?
I'm putting the TV in the box on. I'm not getting anything coming through.
All right. I would like to start off by saying Happy Thanksgiving, and I'm sorry that you're having this issue.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I hope everything was good.
Great.
Everything was good, yeah. Let me see. Okay, I'm looking. I don't see any outages in your area. Is the box plugged in?
Yes. I mean, the box lights up.
Yeah.
But that's about it. The lights, I mean, I'm not sure how it's supposed to go on. I just started using it, a little while ago. But the light goes on.
The light's on, right? Yeah. So that's good that the light's on, because, yeah, no, you need the light. What color is the light?
Blue, I guess.
It's blue light. Yeah, I think. Yeah, blue is good. Thanksgiving. Yeah, no, blue is good. Did you? And what happens when you press the power button? Anything?
Which power button?
The one on the left, the power button on the box.
That makes it go on and off, I guess. That just puts
Yeah,
it on and off.
yeah, exactly. That's what it does. Yeah. So does it go on and off?
Until it goes on and off.
Goes on and off. And how many times did you turn it on and off?
A bunch of times.
Like, give me an idea, like 10, 20?
10 or 20.
10, so even more. So probably like 40?
Maybe 10, 20.
Yeah. Did you unplug the box?
Yes.
And how long did you leave it unplugged for?
A minute?
1 minute exactly?
A minute or 2 minutes?
Yeah, but you didn't time it, right? You're just guessing, right? Or did you time it?
I didn't time it. I looked in the clock.
On the clock, yeah. Clock is probably right. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to turn it off now and unplug it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, is it turned off now? Is the light off?
Do you want me to unplug it? I'll unplug it.
Well, I'll turn it off first, though. Make sure it's off.
Okay.
And then once it's off, then unplug it out of the wall, right? You know what I'm talking about, right? When I say unplug it?
Yeah, it's unplugged.
It's unplugged.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We just got to give it 2, possibly 3 minutes. I'm going to shoot a signal to you, and it's going to clear the signal. And then when we plug it back in, I'm going to shoot another signal to you, and I'm going to try and see.
Let me see. What address do you have me at? Or what box number do you have me at?
Well, it doesn't. It just goes by your phone number. Why, do you have a different box?
No, this phone number is a new phone number. So just want to make sure it's. Just want to make sure you have.
How many boxes do you have in the house?
I have 2 boxes.
2 boxes, right. Are they both DVRs or just one is a DVR?
I don't think they're DVD. I don't know.
You're not sure, okay. No, it's you got the boxes on here. All right, in the meantime, yeah, so, all right, but just give it a minute. So, well, I mean, I'm sorry you're having this issue on Thanksgiving. Did you at least have good mashed potatoes and dessert? Or
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So what, do you have, do you know what the address is on the account? I want to make sure it's not, or you have a box number, a serial number, something?
Yeah, no, I don't. I don't have any of that. Because my screen just went blank. And you unplugged your box, so I'm not. I'll get that when you plug it back in. You can plug it back in now if you want. Turn it back on.
It turned itself on when I plugged it in.
Turn itself on? You got one of the good ones, yeah. It's not coming up with a code or nothing, right? Doesn't any like say code 721. What's coming up on your TV? It's totally blank.
Yeah, just a channel not available. That's it.
And what happens if you put it on channel 4?
I believe it is on channel 4.
What happens if you put it on channel 2?
The same thing happens.
Let me see something here. Looks like there's some reason I don't know if your bill's not paid or something. Something's coming up. Hold on 1 second here. Yeah, they shut your service off. You didn't pay your bill, but
You kidding me?
no, I'm not kidding you. I think
I didn't get a bill.
you didn't get a bill.
Yeah.
What do you
I
think?
got one bill I was paid.
We just give the service for free? What do you mean you get a bill?
Okay. So what I do to get it back on?
You gotta wait. It's Thanksgiving. You gotta call back tomorrow morning
Okay.
and speak to customer service. You're gonna have to give them your credit card number. You're gonna have to pay the bill, and they'll charge you a connection fee. Maybe they won't. You could try and talk to them. Maybe they won't charge you. But and they'll get it back on for you.
Okay.
All right.
Have a great weekend.
All right. Happy holidays.
Yeah.
Bye.